Right folks, bloody freezing today. There's a frosty start, but I thought I'd show you a new scope that I got in the November 11th sales through AliExpress. It's called a Doctor Scope. It is a 1.5 by 8 by 28 front lens there. Really nice little scope actually. It's got more of a military reticle on it, which makes it ideal for people with assault type rifles like what you get in America. Comes with the two flip up covers there. It's got an illuminated reticle as well, and it's got lockable turrets, nice little clicks on both sides. Just pull it out, do your turn, push it back in to lock it back in place. It does actually come with mounts as well. You can tell him whether you want a dove rail mount or weaver rail mount like this one is, but for some reason they sent the scope and the mount separately, so the scope arrived probably about 4 or 5 days before the mount, so in the meantime I got my own mounts, and these mounts are really good ones. These are quick release mounts, and they're known as Cobra Mounts. It cost around £8.95 each. It's a bit confusing. If you go on the website, I'll put the links up for this. If you go on the website, it just says scope mount, it don't say mount. So I sent off for it, put the order in for £8.95 or whatever it was, and got one mount. So the next day I had to order another one. But they come through pretty quick actually. You get there more or less next day. So they're the Cobra mounts they got with it. The other mounts have come now, but they're the standard weaver mounts with dove mounts with Allen screws on it. The tube on this is 30mm tube, so it lets plenty of light through. Got a nice reticle, mil-dot reticle that comes right down almost to the bottom of the scope, so that's another good thing. It's a nice wide angle of view as well. Really suits this sort of rifle on a bullpup especially, and it would suit I think the Diana K98 PCP and underleather. It's ideal. Nice little short compact scope. So the scope itself in the sales was 40% off, so I got it for £61 and so many pence. And I think they were coming in at between £104 and £108. So I'll put the link on again. I'm sure you can pick these up for less than the top price estate. I actually ordered this one to come through Spain, so I didn't have to pay any duties on it. It's probably took about 10 days to come through, but worth the wait. So there we go, that is the Doctor Scope. I'll show you some bird's eye views now as I see it, zero it in on the target at 20 yards, and I'll leave it with you. But what I'll do, I'll put a link to the scope on the YouTube page in the information part of the video. So there we go, that's the Doctor 1.5 by 8 by 32, and it's got a 30mm tube. So we'll see you in the next video. Okay then, I fit the scope cam to rifle now, and it's on the Doctor scope, so you're going to get a bird's eye view of me zeroing it in to target. There's a few little other targets down there I'm going to shoot at when I've zeroed it. At least you'll get some idea of what it looks like through the scope. So let's get on with it. Okay then, let's enlarge it a bit so we can see what we're doing. So there's the reticle. If you want to see that a bit better, I'll illuminate it. If it will illuminate, I'm not sure. Can't really tell if you can see it through here. I'll get it a bit bigger. Right. Can actually, this is on 1.5 times. And you can zoom in like that. Hold it around there, I think. Zoom out a bit. It's getting it focused up this end. That's better. Might see where this goes. Can't really tell. For another shot. Right. Okay. It's gone down there, basically. That's where it is. So I'll bring up the right. Let's see where we are now. Ah, yeah. Come right a bit. We're actually in the red. You have a problem with the feed here. Shoot. Just fly down there. Alright, start again. There we go then. Zoom in a bit. Okay then, let's try the little tomato down there. And finally the egg foo young. So as you can see, it works well. I think I'm out now. So that is the scope's eye view, and that is the Doctor scope. That's 1.5 by 8 by 28, and you can see it's quite a wide field of view there, and with the background it's got the reticles coming quite a way down, so should be pretty good for long range as well. But not a bad scope.